Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are required to convert the following to the respective units. Yeah, either from meter square to cm square or cm square to meter square. So to solve this, right, come let me pull out this. Then we will have to look at the different units of conversion. If I have 1 meter by 1 meter square, the area of this square will be 1 meter square, right? 1 times 1. But if I convert the 1 meter to 100 cm, and I multiply 100 times 100, that would give me 10,000 cm square. So from this diagram, right, I hope you all can see that 1 meter square is equivalent to 10,000 cm square. And with this in mind, then we can easily convert the following questions, okay? Which is what I will always start off with that. So in this case, 14 meter square, if I want to convert meter square to cm square, I will have my 1 meter square is equivalent to 10,000 cm square. So what about 14 meter square? What do I do? Yes, I multiply by 10,000 or 10,000 multiplied by 14 to give me 140,000 cm square. Same goes for the 2.2. So I always start off with this. So that's easier for me to decide that if I have 2.2 meter square, then all I have to do is to multiply by 10,000 to give me 22,000 cm square. Now, if I were to do the other way around, 5,800 cm square to meter square. So from here, right, this will be something that I will do. Let me use green color then, since we are going the opposite way. But we still can do it using this. I will first start off with 10,000 cm square is equals to 1 meter square. And I'm going to divide by 10,000. Why? Because I want to know what is my 1 cm square. And by doing that, I'm actually dividing by 10,000. And once I know that, I will then be able to get my 5,800 cm square easily. Because I just need to multiply by this. That will give me 0.58 meter square. I repeat this again for my last conversion. Start off with 10,000 cm square equals to 1 meter square. And I'm going to divide by 10,000 so that I can get 1 cm square. And when you do that, you can write as such, or in some cases people do write it as 0.0001 in decimal, by all means. And therefore I will be able to get my 369 cm square easily. I just need to multiply by this then. That will give me 0.0369 meter square. Okay, ignore this typo. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.